Here we are, Eject HQ, the new Petzl Eject low friction cambium saver. Let's take a look. Here inside, it comes with an adjustable cinching anchor point and a quick release arm that is deployed by the retrieval cone when passing through. Easy as that. The new Petzl Eject Cambium Saver has been designed able to take one anchor point or load sharing between two anchor points whilst using a new quick eject option with a stitched termination on the tape snip, allowing to pass through slim crotches and to pass through the canopy with ease on retrieval. Ta-da! It can also be used for MRS or SRS via not blocking against the non-retrieval side. Installation of the Petzl Eject. Slide through the cinching can onto the quick release arm. Adjust to suit your anchor point and pull your rope through, following the directions on the pulley. A load sharing anchor point using two anchors. You simply adjust the sliding can along, back around and back into the quick release arm, making sure that the angles don't exceed 120 degrees and 90 degrees. Secure your rope and you're good to go. Retrieval is simple. Simply use a specific retrieval cone